Hello students, how are you? Are you fine? Good, very good. Dear students, our today's video is about a cue card and that is speaking module. And the cue card is describe a skill that was difficult to learn or you should say when you learned it, why you learned it, how you learned it, and how you felt when you learned it. As you know, that cue card is very important to get good band in the speaking module. And after there are some questions from a part of the examiner which are very simple one introductory questions as what is your name, can I see your ID, where are you from, describe your hometown, what are your qualifications, tell me about your family background or in which country do you wish to go, etc. After that a cue card is provided by the examiner to the examinee, and that is much important to get the good bands. And in the 2 days module we will discuss about this very module and what is its meaning. Describe a skill. एक स्किल ਦਾ ਵਰਣਨ ਕਰੋ that was difficult to learn for you, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਕਾਫੀ ਔਖਾ ਸੀ. You should say, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ when you learned it, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਦੋਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ, why you learned it ਤੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ, how you learned it ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਖਣ 'ਚ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋਏ, how you felt when you learned it ਤੇ ਅਲਟੀਮੇਟਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖ ਲਿਆ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕੀਤਾ. ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਜੋ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੋਡਿਊਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ. ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਟ ਵੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਬੈਟਰ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਡਰੈਗਨ ਡਾਇਗਰਾਮ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਡਰਾ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਔਰ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਡਨ ਇਟ ਫॉर ਯੂ. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ when you learned it, ਇਸ ਦਾ ਜਵਾਬ ਹੈ ਕਿ I learned it at the tender age of 12 years, ਕਿ ਅਜੇ ਮੈਂ 12 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ. I learned it due to curiosity and thrill, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੜੀ ਉਤਸੁਕਤਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਥ੍ਰਿਲ ਸੀ, ਜੋਸ਼ ਸੀ. Then I learned it by try again efforts, ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਇੰਨਾ ਸੌਖਾ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਪਰੰਤੂ try again ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਵੈਂਚਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਅਲਟੀਮੇਟਲੀ I felt confident and enthusiastic. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖ ਲਿਆ ਤੇ ਬੜਾ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੇ ਬੜਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਸ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਐਂਥੂਸੀਆ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ. ਤੇ ਨਾਓ let us start the cue card, how to respond it effectively. There are many skills which are to be learned by different people by their own interest, and some people wish to learn how to drive a car. There are some others who wish to know how to swim in the deep waters, and some others who wish to learn how to play on a piano or harmonium or any other musical device. But I will speak about a new topic that is different one, and I will speak on the topic that how I learned to ride a bicycle. As the other boys of my age, they used to ride a bicycle, and there was curiosity in my mind that I also should be proficient to know and to learn how to ride on a bicycle. And I shared it with my elder brother, and he readily helped me and agreed to help me in this venture. He offered me his bicycle also, and we went on the outskirts of our town, and in the open ground he made me sit. My brother made me sit on the saddle of the bicycle and then gave some direction directions to me that how I should feel, how I should get this skill. And when he left his hands and asked me to paddle, and it to my surprise, I was amazed that I fell down after going a few yards. That was a great embarrassment and confusion for me. I fell down and even I also got some injuries. My knees were peeled off. There were some minor injuries on my legs. Also, feeling myself somewhat harassed, I dropped the idea to try again on that very day and returned home. But after 7 days, again I mustered courage and shared it with my brother, and he also encouraged me, inspired me that it is not so much difficult. So again we went to that very open ground, and this time he also made me sit on the saddle and asked me to pedal the bicycle, and luckily this time it was somewhat easy for me to go some yards. And in this way I continued to try for 7 days. It was my daily routine, and after continuous trials of 7 days I was able to write confidently how it can be written, that is how to ride a bicycle. And honestly speaking, when I learned this very skill, I felt myself very lucky and confident and enthralled, and I'm full of mesmerized and enthusiastic. And now I think that this very skill was very difficult for me to learn, but in the later stage in my life, I feel that this very skill is very helpful for me, because now I can ride on a bicycle. It helps me to keep myself fit. Moreover, I can go short distances with the help of this bicycle, and I can go quickly rather than going on foot, walking on foot. And it is also helpful for me to reduce the expenses, because the prices of the fuel, that is petrol and diesel, that are touching sky high prices, and that's why I am able to keep myself fit, and it is also reducing my expenses for going from one place to another. So I think that this very skill should be learned by each and everybody, and the other people should also learn some skill which may be helpful to them. Okay students, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਨੂੰ 2-2.5 ਘੰਟੇ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ बोल के और fluently बोल के you can get good marks. And you know that there are some follow up questions also. ਤੇ ਇਸ ਜੋ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਕੁਝ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੁਝ 3 ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਰਿਟਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਪਹਿਲਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ, why is there need of learning a skill? ਕੋਈ ਸਕਿੱਲ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? And possible answer of this question is that there is a need of learning a skill because a skillful person is regarded by each and everybody, honored by each and everybody, and a skillful person can get a job very easily as compared to that person who has no any skill. Second question is, how is the skill of swimming helpful to an individual? कि किसी भी प्राणी दे वास्ते जो स्विमिंग का स्किल है वो किमें सहायता करता है। तो इसका आंसर ये बनेगा कि to learn a skill of swimming, that is very helpful to a person, because accidentally whenever there is an accident that somebody falls into the deep waters, at that time if somebody know how to swim, he or she may come out of the deep waters by swimming in the river or in the sea or any other water body. But if the person do not know how to swim, then there may be some difficulty and there may be danger of life even. And the person who knows how to swim, he also helps the other people whenever there is any accident of dropping into the deep waters. Third one is, do you think that skill of driving a car is most challenging one, challenging task? ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਸਕਿੱਲ ਹੈ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੈਲੰਜਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਯੈਸ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ that to know the skill of driving the car, that is most difficult one, because whenever somebody try to learn how to drive a car, at that time there are some pedals which have to be controlled by feet, and if by accident or by mistake wrongfully a person puts his foot on the accelerator instead of the brakes when he or she wish to apply the brakes, then what happens that very car may be rammed into any other vehicle or the wall, and there may be damage and there may be risk of life even. So that's why I think that this very skill of driving the car is the most challenging one, but one should not worry about it. If you have got determination, you will be able to learn it efficiently. Okay, thank you very much. And in the end, dear students, there is a request from my part that if you think that this video is very helpful to you, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and also share this video with your near and dear one. Thank you very much, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, a lot of thanks.